Okay, so they give us a random equation to start off with here, and what they want us to do is simplify the following expression. Really, what's going to happen here is this is just going to end up being a laws of exponents game, and we just need to sort of work it one chunk at a time. Whenever you're doing a laws of exponents scenario, what you want to say to yourself is numbers go with numbers and like letters go with like letters. So really, X's go with X's, Y's go with Y's. In this situation, A's go with A's and B's go with B's. And so while it's all one term on the top and the bottom, you really want to think about them as bite-sized chunks of numbers and then A's and then B's. So don't group them all together. So the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and we'll do this division problem sitting up in front on us here. So you just want to put 144 divided by 36 into your calculator, and out of there you'll end up getting a 4, and so that'll stay on top in this situation. Then as I move over and I do my A's with my A's, when we're doing division in a laws of exponents situation, that's going to end up being a subtraction game. And so what you're always going to want to do is you're going to want to take the top exponent and subtract the bottom exponent. And the result ends up on top, but the process is always top minus bottom. So in this situation, we're looking at -2 minus 1 for the A. So -2 minus 1 would have given us -3. So we have A to the -3 on top. In the second situation, we really have a b to the first, an unwritten 1 right there. So top minus bottom, we end up with 1 minus, and then a -1 for the bottom exponent on the b's. So that's really going to be 1. The negative negative turns into a positive, so we get 1 plus 1, which is going to give us 2. So we end up with a b squared on top. So on the next line, what I need to do, the last move here is they want no negative exponents in the answer. And so all a negative exponent means, it's really simple. A negative exponent just means I am on the wrong side. So put me up to the other side and make me positive. So in this situation, we would see that the 4 is fine. It can stay on top. The A, however, has a negative exponent. And so what I need to do there is put the A to the other side and make that exponent positive. And then the B squared, B is to a positive power, so we can leave that up on top. If you end up in a situation where, I'll give you another example real quick. If I had something like 5, and this was, let's say, A to the third, and I had a b to the -2 with a c cubed on bottom, something like this. This negative exponent on the bottom here still means just the same thing, which is I am on the wrong side. So you would have rewritten this as 5a to the third. Then you would have brought the b up to the top to make it positive, since the negative just means it's on the wrong side, and everybody else would have stayed in the same place. Hope this helps.